volume is 65.5 square meters. Here in exam, if the volumes are given in only pi, then you need not put the value of 3.14 or even 22/7. Keep it pi only and then find the value. Okay. Next is curved surface area. So curved surface area of the building is again cylinder plus cone. So curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. Right? Why? Because cylinder means this. Curved means this 2 pi r is a circle. Circumference of the circle. And h means you take the circumference above. So formula for cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h or pi d also. Anything. So 2 into 3.14 into r is 2.15 into h is 3.8. Multiply this, you will get 51.3 square meters. Again follow Vedic maths, it's easier. Follow the videos of mine. Then cone. Surface area of cone is pi r l. So 3.14 into 2.15 into L. We don't know L. We have to find L. So L is easier. Both the sides are 2.15 and 2.15. So hypotenuse equals to s1 square plus s2 square root of those. So root of 2.15 square plus root of 2.15 square. So 2.15 into root 2. Root 2 is 1.43. Remember, these two values you always have to remember. Root 2 is 1.43 and root 3 is 1.72. Okay. So 2.15 into 1.43, multiply this, you will get 3.07. This is the slant height. Right? So cone is what? Surface area pi r into slant height. So it will be 3.14 into 2.15 into 3.07. Multiply this, you will get 20.75. Okay. So surface area of total building is 51.3 plus 20.75. 51.3 is cylinder. Okay. So 72.05 square meters. See here, calculations you have to do it yourself, you have to practice it because there is no other option. And for that I always suggest follow Vedic maths videos. That's why I prepared Vedic maths videos separately, because I know the maths which we do is really tough in calculations, and the ancient maths which was given by our ancestors is very easy. It can be done on fingers. So you have got both the answers, volume and curved surface area. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.